Gumdrop chairs lined a jelly bean table, and a licorice staircase twisted up to the roof. Hansel and Gretel sipped cocoa, smiling until the lady pointed at a sink full of dishes. Lady's voice, dramatic, "Hansel, you must wash my dishes, forever." Hansel's jaw dropped. Gretel folded her arms, then smirked. Gretel's voice, clever, "Forever is too long. How about just until after lunch?" She pulled out a sponge shaped like a smiley face. The lady stared at it, silent. Then suddenly burst into laughter, so hard that cocoa spilled everywhere. She laughed, and then, snort, marshmallows flew right out of her nose. Hansel and Gretel rolled on the floor giggling. Soon, all three of them were laughing so hard their cheeks turned red.